Hi, my name is Jurek Sekas, and I have a very interesting question for you. I learned this question from Alex Hormozy, and yesterday I couldn't sleep, and I started to answer this question, and it widened my perspective so much. The question is very simple. If someone were to give you a million, so your business a million, what value could you provide in return so that it's worth it for them? Now I start with a million on purpose because this is the number that would blow your mind out of the water. It would make you have to think because you probably never thought about that. I didn't. Well, I did, but not in the length that I did yesterday. So here is my whiteboard where I've written down things that I would do if someone were to give me 12K or 10K and 25 to 33K and 100K. And on this little note here is the $1 million question. Now, if someone would give me a million, I wrote down that I would fly to them on my own expense and will make a funnel for them, and until it's profitable to at least 5 times, if you put €1 in, that you get at least €5 out, and then that he can use to get his million back. I will create the offer for him and with him or her that will also make the million. I will give him or her access to all the courses that I've bought throughout the years. I will give him access to all my audiobooks. I will give him everything that I have written down and that could be interesting for him to know, him or her. For this person, well, let's call it this person. I will cover the ad costs, and I will find a team of specialists to do this fast for him so that not only will he make his money back, but he will do it fast, because I will hire a team of absolute specialists that have already done this. I would set up an entire ClickFunnels 2.0 account for him. I will for this person, and I will also 1 year full time for this person as well. Me and my entire team that I hire. I will help him create a content marketing channel and blow it up by creating the Dream 100 list for him and connecting with the Dream 100 for him. That basically means the 100 biggest players in his or her area, and we'll find those persons, we'll connect with them and arrange a meeting so that they can go on an interview. Now, those were some things at the top of my mind. I also thought about changing their entire belief structure, that all the false beliefs that they have, we will uncover and break them all down and replace them with better alternatives, so that they will have the capacity to make not only his business better, but give him also what he needs with the change inside of him or her. Now, what would you do for $1 million? And what would you do if someone would pay you 25K? What would you do if someone would pay you 100K? These are interesting questions to answer, because then these numbers won't seem that entirely big. And the rule is, you gotta give 10 times as much value than they give you as money. Perceived value, that is. It doesn't have to be exactly that in cost, because that in fulfillment costs, because it should cost you a lot less than you got the million for. If you want to know more about that, check out one of my latest videos about that. Value should be 10x price, and the price should be 100x the value. I got this from the $100 million offer book from Alex Hormozy, which is brilliant, by the way. I highly recommend it. But ask yourself this question, write it down on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper, because especially if you are an entrepreneur, do this because it will make you think about what you can offer people. Because if you want to get to $1 million, if you want to get to 7 digits, all you have to do, if you have a 12,000 if you have $10,000 product, you only have to sell 100 people this product. And if you have a 50K product, you only have to sell 20. If you have a 100K product, you only have to sell 10. 10 people. And you gotta understand, there are people that have that kind of money and can just spend that, and that have businesses that are doing 10 million, and 100K is not that much for them. So make sure to target these people, and you will be able to get that money from them, and provide them more value in return. Because if they are bigger, it is easier to make them grow. Because if you have a $10 million 8-digit business, there's always just some things you need to do, and you can grow it by 10%. That means you already have made them 1 million more. But it's just 10%. 10% is a lot easier than growing 100%, for example. So I hope that shifted something in your mindset, because it did for me. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like these kinds of videos, because I want to keep doing this and do this full time and put more effort into my videos, and I will be able to if I get more subscribers, so that I can make even better quality videos just for you. So thank you, and remember, all you got to do is break through and grow like bamboo. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.